MasterCard report shows that challenges with international payments prevent small and medium-sized enterprises from expanding beyond their borders. The new report was developed in collaboration with Payments and Commerce Market Intelligence and K2. According to the report, 3 out of 5 SMEs in the region already work with international suppliers, and in markets like Mexico and Brazil, 75% plan to expand their global partnerships. However, they face high fees, uncompetitive conversions, and delays. In response, there is now a MasterCard Move. This is a suite of MasterCard products and services designed to improve and simplify cross-border payments with a focus on commercial payments. It aims to reduce costs, enhance speed, and increase transparency in international transactions. Tropical Battery launched an additional public offering for a $1.79 billion raise from investors with the aim of funding its plans to expand its operations in other Caribbean territories. It also intends to use the funds to repay a $9.5 million loan from CIBC, meet bond payments, and acquire working capital. The APO closed on July 4th, with investors buying approximately $800 million worth of shares, or half of the APO. Time now for the market highlights and credit tip of the day from Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending July 17, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,997,446 units traded, representing 36.69% of market sales volume. Caribbean finance conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited with 1,633,278 units traded, representing 11.99% of market sales volume. Logistics firm Mailpack Group Limited with 1,417,751 units traded, representing 10.41% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $50.73 million purchased and US $59.84 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.29 per dollar, selling the US at $161.28 and buying the US at $158.99. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 40 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.21 and buying at $116.81. The British pound yielded Forex traders 55 cents in profits, with selling at $216.02 and buying at $215.47. For the credit report tip of the day, you're not just building a business, you're building a momentum. If you're serious about scaling your business, it's time to move like a strategist. Don't wait for revenue to grow before you expand. Leverage your credit score to access the capital you need now. Start by pulling your credit report today, identifying quick wins to boost your score, and applying for credit products that align with your business goals. Open a business checking account, register your business, and start building credit that speaks louder than your hustle. Capital follows confidence, and a confident business owner takes bold steps early. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.